In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now click on this icon at the top right corner of it and click on this sign at the top of your pop-up window. Then you need to use this icon over here and finally select a second app after hitting Got it or Learn More in the pop-up. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, like that, and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!